What's up, guys? This is the last video on this channel for 2019, and I want to start it off by saying thank you. Thank you so much for watching the content and for going on this journey with me to learn and master the sport of tricking. I love this sport, this community, and it all means so much to me. Today, I want to talk about everything we've been able to do in the year of 2019 as the Mastering Tricking community. So with that said, let's get started. First, I want to talk about the growth of this community. The Mastering Tricking community is bigger than ever before. To give you guys a peek at the analytics, over the past year, we've gained over 19,000 subscribers, and we've had over 1 million total views in all the videos on the Mastering Tricking channel. Guys, this channel is growing more than ever before, and it's all because of you guys. The people who are liking, commenting, and sharing the videos are what helps this community grow bigger than ever before. And it humbles me to know there are so many tricking athletes out there who want to learn this sport and get better. So guys, thank you so much for helping this channel and this community grow bigger than ever before. 2019 was great, and 2020 will be way better. One of the goals of Mastering Tricking is to make tricking easy to learn, so that way you guys can pick up the sport and progress nice and fast. That's why I create free educational videos and upload them to YouTube, so that way the entire community can grow and learn together. And 2019 was a great year for that. I was able to produce over 100 pieces of free educational tricking content for all of you guys. Not only that, but I was also able to invest my time in creating more of an infrastructure for tricking athletes. In 2018, I produced my first ebook, Starting Your Tricking Journey, and in 2019, I added 2 more. And in 2020, I plan on finishing the series so that way you guys can really understand how I look at the sport. Finally, Mastering Tricking also did a ton to improve its website, howtomastertricking.com. Now, there are a ton of links to how to start tricking, trick tutorials, flexibility and conditioning, and all of that is there to help you guys grow. 2019 was a great year for building the educational infrastructure for the sport of tricking, and I am so excited to carry that in to 2020. '2019 was also a great year in terms of my progression. In short, I've gotten better at tricking. I'm stronger, more flexible, and better than I've ever been. And it feels great. I cannot wait in 2020 to keep building my skills. Honestly, I'm not really worried about being the best in a competitive sense. Rather, I just want to be the best I can be, constantly challenging myself to improve and get better at this sport. Thank you guys so much for helping motivate that journey and helping me to push forward. Seriously, you guys are definitely a part of my motivation, and it means the world to me. If you can't tell, I'm running out of breath, but thank you guys so much. Seriously, 2019 was amazing. 2020 is gonna be so much better. Over the next few days, I'm gonna be working on the website, the infrastructure, the ebooks, on all of that, and you will see more content coming out in 2020. Guys, thank you so much. Please keep working, keep training, and keep getting better. This sport is amazing, and I'm so glad to take you guys on the journey with me.